Lovely. So today we are going to talk about how I can shave off my eyebrow to achieve this straight eyebrow look, cat eye look, snatched look like every model or Instagram baddies are having nowadays. So basically my inspiration was from Bella Hadid and the Hadid sister. Basically both of these sisters have like snatched I look. I had to shave off my eyebrow for the very first time, and I think I'm gonna do that again because I had so much room to create and blend everything, and it kind of make my face look snatched. So I think everyone should do that now that there is this new trend of having like straight or like upwards eyebrow. I think everybody looks just great in it. It's just so youthful and just so, I don't know. It's just so, I don't know the word for it, but so modelly. That's not even a word! So I'm not a model by any mean, but I want to. There are so many things that you would not find here on YouTube, so you might want to follow me on my Instagram as well, so you get all the tricks and tips and drama. Everything I mentioned in this video, you will find that in description box, so don't worry about it. Just look how I'm doing things. I naturally have arched brows, so I'll be removing just the tail of my brows and give it more straight look. Use a brow trimmer with a thin head so you have more control, or you can just use face razor if that's something you're comfortable with.
My eyebrows are gone! No, they're not! I told you they're right here!
Trick to a very precise brush is dipping it in a brow gel and then pinching it until it's very thin so you can create hair-like strokes. This looks pretty solid, so I'm just gonna go and outline tail of my brows ever so lightly just for the guideline on where I'll be filling in. Filling in all over so that it doesn't look separated from tail from the front side. What am I saying? Well, we want to give entire eyebrow same shade of tint. I'm making upward strokes with this very precise brush. It should look like hair strokes. Make sure both of your brows have same length and arched at the same distance. Going in with Absolute New York brow pencil. This is in the shade Smoke. I like to go over with any pencil after a pomade or a brow gel because most of the pencils have this waxy feel to it that will make it last long for like hours. That's it. I hope you guys liked it and I have motivated you to shave your eyebrows off too. So if you do that, do let me know here or on my Instagram, which is again same name as my YouTube channel name, which is RUTUMA, and I will see you there. Bye.